Imagine a world where QR codes become the key to unlocking immersive experiences in virtual and mixed reality. That's exactly what Meta is making possible with the latest update to the Quest 3 SDK. But here's where it gets exciting. Developers can now effortlessly track and decode QR codes directly within Unity, thanks to the Meta MR Utility Kit's newest system-level feature. This update simplifies a process that once required third-party libraries or custom solutions, giving creators a faster, more streamlined way to integrate QR codes into their projects. Earlier this year, Meta granted Quest 3 developers access to the headset's pass-through cameras, allowing them to experiment with QR code tracking using external tools. However, this new update eliminates the need for such workarounds. By leveraging the spatial data permission, already in use for other mixed reality features, developers can now implement QR code tracking without requiring the more intrusive headset camera permission. This not only enhances user privacy, but also reduces friction in the development process. When enabled, the SDK provides a wealth of data for each tracked QR code, including its 6DOF positional pose, 2D bounding box, boundary polygon, and decoded payload, like a URL. This opens up a world of possibilities, from interactive installations to enterprise applications. And this is the part most people miss. While QR code tracking isn't real-time due to a relatively low position update rate, it's still a game-changer for static or slowly moving objects. Think of it as a more accessible alternative to high-end object tracking systems, like the Pico Tracker, but at the cost of printing a simple QR code. QR codes are the latest addition to Meta's growing list of trackable objects in the MR Utility Kit, joining the keyboard and other system-level trackables like touch controllers and the Logitech MX Ink stylus. However, here's where it gets controversial. Meta acknowledges that the low update rate makes this feature unsuitable for tracking fast-moving objects, which might disappoint some developers. But for enterprise and location-based VR/MR projects, it's a reliable solution for tasks like initial calibration, outperforming even Meta's shared spatial anchor system in certain scenarios. While relying on consumers to print QR codes might seem outdated in 2025, this feature shines in controlled environments. For instance, it could revolutionize training simulations, interactive exhibits, or even retail experiences. But here's the question we're left pondering. Will QR code tracking become a staple in VR/MR development, or will it remain a niche tool? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear how you'd use this feature or why you think it might fall short. QR code tracking is now available as an optional feature in version 78 of the Meta MR Utility Kit for Unity, supporting Quest 3, Quest 3S, and all future Horizon OS headsets. It's compatible with QR codes up to version 10, making it a versatile addition to any developer's toolkit. So, what will you create with this powerful new tool?